Welcome guys, this is KLK Party Favors, bringing to you some hauls I did today. So we're going to start with Dollar General. I have the kitchen towels here, and I have the dishcloth, 2 in a pack. So they were 50 cents for each item. I found this. This was a brown dot, so this was 10 cents. It says, "Yay, you're here, stay a while." Okay, here are the beautiful little mixing bowls. Regular $8, paid 80 cents. So I was able to find 2 of those, okay? And remember guys, I told you on yesterday's live, it's not too late to still go out and find items. This is the laptop stand. I paid $1, regular price was $10. And these are just some little sippy cups. They were not on sale. These were green dot. They were $1 each. This one is bluey. I got 2 blueys. And this one's just a happy dinosaur. It says happy dino. Okay. Also guys, this pillow, which is like a purple dot, was not on sale, but I loved it so much I got it anyway. It was $5. I have to really like it to pay the full price. And another reason I got it, I didn't see any more in the store. And I really love this dinosaur theme that they have with all the beautiful non-traditional colors. They have a lot of pinks and lime greens and stuff in it. So the top says Rainbow Saurus. And then the sides are all different color dinosaurs, pink, purple, orange. And I just fell in love with that design. So I thought I'd get this box before they all were sold out. It was $6. And I have been looking at those since they came out, guys. Okay, also to go with that theme there, we have these 3 beautiful pictures. They're all dinosaur related. This one says eat, play, roar, sleep. And this one says stand tall. Really motivational, inspirational plaques. Be brave. So there's a 3-piece set for $6. Okay, these were on sale, guys. I paid $1. Regular price was $10. And it lights up. It's going to be nice in some of my teen baskets. This is the rainbow. Really, really cute. Okay, so let's get these out the way and let's bring in the next set of items. So our next one here are these nice large weekly planners. It's a chalkboard, so it's nice. You can hang these in your kitchen. This one did not have any chalk, but I have a whole lot of chalk, so I'll be able to replace that. So this is really nice. It has a little jute string on the back. It'd be lovely to go in the kitchen or family room, so the family can keep up with all the things that need to be done for that week. So I think this is really, really nice. The regular price on these was $10 each. I paid $1 each. Okay. So I really like those a lot. Okay. Let's get this out the way. Okay, the next things I found were those beautiful folding chairs, guys. Okay guys, so the folding chairs were buy one, get one free at Dollar General. So this is my first chair. This is the Cocoa Melon chair. Okay, and it was $12. So the price equals out to $6 a chair. So this is really cute. It has the little popsicles on the seat. Little cocoa melon characters on the back. Beautiful yellow and teal. Okay, so my next chair here is the Paw Patrol, and the back has the characters, and the seat also has the characters. And it's a light blue, dark blue color to the frame. Really, really nice. Okay, this one here is Minnie Mouse, and it's a light pink background, and Minnie is a dark pink or fuchsia color. Then on the seat they have rainbow, hair bows, hearts, and that's really cute. So this is like a light pink, dark pink, and white color combination for this one. And I will likely be saving all these for Easter. Okay, this is another Paw Patrol. So I have 2 of the Paw Patrols. And I'm going to see what the age range, age 3 to 7. So that's good. You'll be able to let your customers know that the ages is 3 to 7. Because I still have some of those plastic chairs, and those are much smaller, so I can market these for a bigger kid. All right, so this is another Minnie Mouse. And I saw some at another location. I went to several Dollar Generals today. And I saw some at another location. I didn't get any. 6 is enough for me right now. Okay, here's Mickey Mouse. And he is a blue and red combination. Have Mickey on the back here. The seat has a headphones, hot dogs, looks like a softball, ice cream cone, music notes, and it looks like a game player here. Several little video game items. Okay, so that's a red and blue color combination on that. I was really excited to get those. They had them right at the front door. You know how some stores will sit out their items on a table, and so they had the chairs right there at the front. Okay, so these next items, guys, this is Family Dollar, and they still have these bins, 50 cents. So you can still find these at some locations. This beautiful cream color, I never got those, so I was happy to find different colors today. But I went ahead and got the little cream color and some more of the gray color. Okay, they had the Just Be short sleep set. It was 97 cents, regular $8. They just had this one, so I got that. Then I just started scanning random clothing items, and these really nice little lounge pants were regular $8. They were 97 cents as well. I love that leopard print, and it has that pink in it as well. That is really, really cute. So I went ahead and got all that they had, which was 4. Okay. Okay, also I was able to find some more of these little loofah ropes. They call them bath chains. So I have purple, pink, green, and these were 50 cents each. They're They're really nice. I'm glad I ran across some more because I used all my others for Valentine's Day and Mother's Day. All right. Not bad for 50 cents each. Okay, they had these little wooden spoons. They were 75 cents. Put these in some home theme baskets. Found another Jurassic World hat and glove set, $1. Found some more Stitch little slipper socks. They were $1 each. And I saw this little container and I said, how beautiful is that print? I have an ottoman that has the same print on it from Temu. This is the beautiful t-shirt. And guys, I have the wraps that go on the tumblers to match these t-shirts. The t-shirts were $4. And this one says, with God, all things are possible. Let's see here. Oh, I see what I did. I got one in white with that saying on it, and I have one in black with the same saying on it. Okay. So those are really, really nice. I really liked the design, and then the quality is really nice as well. So these are going to be nice with the tumbler set, t-shirt and tumbler. It's going to be a nice little combination there for a gift. Okay, so this one here has a different design. This is a design. I shared a t-shirt that I got that's fuchsia color, and it has this verse on it. Even in the midst of the storm, I see God working it out for me. I just absolutely love that. And so this is the white. And then I also have it in a black. Okay, so that came out really pretty. Okay. And I do have some black tumblers, so I may pair this with a black tumbler with the same wording. Okay, guys, so this is it for my hauls. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I appreciate you guys so very much. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe.